Hey guys, I'm here with Huawei P20 Lite, the lowest model of Huawei P20 series, but it's not a low-end device, it's a mid-range device with amazing design and specifications. So I need to unbox it. As you can see, warranty void stickers. You should. Mm. Broke the sticker. So this model is a climbable color with 64 gigabytes internal storage and a 4 gig of RAM. Model is AMELX1. Okay, and here we go. Here is the phone. Here is the Huawei. So what's other in the box? This is the genuine product of Huawei. User manual, quick start guides, warranty card. SIM injection tool. It comes with a USB Type-C port, charger, quick charge for less time, headphones with microphone, of course, okay, and nothing else. in the box. So here we go. It's awesome, just awesome. Awesome design. Huawei logo. Frame is aluminum metal frame. This is a climbable car. As you can see. So let's load up. It has a 5.8-inch LTPS IPS display with 1080 by 2280 pixels resolution. Sorry. It has a 4 gig of RAM, 64 gigabyte of internal storage, 16 megapixel front-facing camera and dual rear cameras, 16 megapixel and 2 megapixel with LED flash. Here the fingerprint scanner. It comes with MUI, Android Oreo version 8.0. Full support of languages, of course. It's a 8-core CPU by Huawei Kirin. This is the dual SIM variant. As I said, it's a lowest model of a P20 series, but it looks very stylish, very amazing design with curved edges. As you can see, it seems like an iPhone 10 design with this camera. Oh, here we go. The screen. Maximum brightness. It provides very cool colors. Some AMOLED. Very smooth and fast working with 4 gig of RAM and 8 core of CPU. So 51 gigabyte of internal free storage, half of uh, one of half gigabyte of RAM memory available. So let's test the camera. Wow. It has no lenses like on other models of P20 series, but it has a good camera. Dual SIM variant, but if you want to use dual SIM, two SIM cards, you can't use the micro SD slot. Every time when you lock the screen, wallpaper change it, which is a good feature. So this is the Huawei MUI interface. There is a notch as on iPhone 10 with curved edges. Earpiece and light sensor. Yeah, it's a cool device. I like it. So other things on this device is the battery is a 3300 milliampere. I think you can use for a full day of using. Okay guys, this is the quick review of Huawei P20 Lite. Subscribe for more phones, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you next time. Bye.